In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Discord cache. If Discord in your browser has been acting up, maybe images won't load, channels feel sluggish, or something just seems stuck, clearing the cache in Google Chrome can give you a clean slate. We're focusing on the web version of Discord here, and the process is quick, safe, and easy to reverse. Think of cache as temporary files. Chrome saves to speed things up. Clearing it forces the browser to fetch fresh, up-to-date content the next time you visit. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, go to More Tools, and then click Clear Browsing Data. If you want to jump straight to the right place, you can use a shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+Delete. A pop-up window will appear. At the top, set the time range to all time. This is important because it ensures Chrome removes all of the stored Discord web cache, not just what was saved in the last hour or the last few days. Next, check the box for cached images and files. That's the key setting that clears the temporary data Discord uses in Chrome. This won't remove your bookmarks or saved passwords, and it won't delete your extensions. The only trade-off is that the first time you reload Discord afterward, it may take a moment longer to load as Chrome downloads fresh assets. If you're troubleshooting sign-in issues or you want an even deeper reset, you can also check cookies and other site data. Just note that this will sign you out of most websites, including Discord, and clear site-specific preferences. Only choose this if you're okay signing back in afterward and you have your login details ready. When you're set, click Clear Data. Give Chrome a moment to finish. The window may show a brief spinner while it clears everything. Now restart Chrome to fully apply the changes. Close all Chrome windows and relaunch the browser. This simple restart helps ensure Discord loads with a completely fresh session and new resources. Open Discord in Chrome again. If you chose to clear cookies, you'll be prompted to log back in. Otherwise, you should see a clean, refreshed interface with fewer glitches and up-to-date content. That's it. Your Discord cache in Chrome is now cleared and you're ready to go.